This is complete. You see all the tools that were there are gone. I got this whole section here that is clean. So now I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. For your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. New to the channel, first time stopping by. Thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring ding ding that bell down there so you're notified when the videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like it, and share. It helps the channel. Well, we're back in the shop. Got the doors all open. Kind of sunny today. We've got scattered clouds. Beautiful day, no rain. First time in 5 days. It's nice. So we're just continuing cleaning out all that mess in my supply side of the cabinet. Last video I got the tool side cleaned out, organized, put a bunch of tools away. This time some of the tools on the bottom are going to go in the storage unit. And ooh, the sun's coming out again. And we're just going to try to clean that part of it up and finish that little pile I had on the floor. And that's it. Easy Saturday. This will come out Monday. Sunday I'm gonna relax. I do things in the house. I gotta clean my desk off, get that organized. So every day we're doing something and we're continuing. When this is all over, said and done, my shop should be ship shape again. So let's get inside and get going. Kind of wish I could be outside, but I gotta continue this. Last video I cleaned this all off, I rearranged and redid all these screws, and that's where I stopped. I was just pooped out. So today I got all of it cleaned out. All my tools and everything that was in here is spread out down here, so I got to go through it, organize it, see what I'm going to keep, throw out, stick in storage or whatever. But I came across that one tool in the box. I wanted you to check it out. Pretty cool tool. This was a circular saw that was in this box that was sitting on the bottom. It's an old Rockwell. It's a 346. Nice circular saw. Real good construction. Solid metal everywhere. I really like it. But this one's kind of different compared to a lot of the other ones. On everything today, your depth kind of pivots. This doesn't. Undo this and your whole motor slides up and down. And you have your measurement there. You set your measurement to what you need, tighten it, and there's your depth of cut. To do the bevel cutting, you unloosen this, and this pivots back and forth. It's just a really nice quality old tool. I think I'm going to bring this back into the shop and use it more often. But for now, I'm going to put it back in the box, put it out in the storage. But these, you don't have a lock to lock the spindle so you can undo the nut. You actually, you have the wrench. It goes behind the blade right there. You hold that, then you get your other wrench and you use it this way to unloosen, to change out the blade. Pretty cool. But I thought I would just show you this. I like this whole thing. So it goes back in here. So I gotta raise that back up. There we go. And that sits in there like that. So I think I'm going to put it out in storage for now, but I will be bringing it back in here. I like this. So that is that. That's put away. Put these back in there. Put them back here. And that goes back into the storage for now. Really nice circular saw. So now I get to go through all this on the floor, separate it, figure out what I'm going to do. Like this, actually this one was one of these containers that I had, and I cleaned it up, painted it, and made it into a little storage area for my Dremel, all the accessories. See, it used to be Neonhoff, something for automotive product. I don't know, it used to be in here, but I converted it. Now it houses my Dremel. This is a Master Grip set of nice chisels. Another Master Grip. This is my set of Forstner bits, all the sizes I need, and as often as I use them, I don't need a set that costs $300-400. Soldering guns, I gotta put these up to sell. I'll keep one. I got another one there. This is a nice little Weller soldering iron, soldering tool, whatever you want to call it. So that one I'll keep. This one's a Harbor Freight one. I'm gonna get rid of that. And then these are a good set of chisels from Freud. Nice set. I love these things. Sharp as a stinking razor, I tell you though. Good set. Actually, it's getting cloudy, the sun's going down, it's starting to get cold, so well, I think I'm pretty much done. As you see, it's all filled up again, organized, straightened back up. I have all my screws and nails, some of the nails from my nail gun here. I have the stapler, brads, and miscellaneous, like 1¼ to 1 inch finishing nails, 15 gauge nails here. Then I have my tape measures. I have a couple boxes of the sanding belts for my belt sander. This is what I have left of all my dowels. You see here these 3/8 inch, 2 inch dowels. These are 1/2 inch, 2 inch dowels. I only got a few of those left. And I got a lot of more, but those are 1.5 inch, 3/8 dowels. Completely out of all my biscuits, so I ordered those, so I got all new biscuits. 20, 10s, O's, and Lamella doesn't make the small one, but they classify it as an N9, so that's what these are, really small ones. Third shelf, just kind of miscellaneous of some tools. I got flooring tools, some hardware. This is for rebar, the wire, my drill doctor, and my Dremel tool, and then down there is those are my Forstner bits and chisels. I have lettering kit for my router, I do letters and signs, and then all my belts. And then the bottom shelf, I kept the heavy stuff. The box of drywall screws, my bucket of drywall screws that I keep full as we go down to Mexico. Those are 4 legs. And then these 2 boxes are nails for the framing gun. Main thing, this is done. 90% of it is done. So this cart is complete. Basically, it's done. So there you have it. Check. Another check done. And that's the beauty of this. We are utilizing our time efficiently. We're making sure we come out here. We're doing things that we put off for so long. We're not putting them off no more. It's time to go through this and get rid of. So tomorrow I will come out. I'll just spend a couple hours to finalize some of this, sift through. But I have all the nails that came out of this are going into the storage. I have a cabinet out there. Going a little off track today. Today's Sunday. When I came out here and was starting to put in my nails, I decided I got to clean this up. I'm doing all that in there. I got to get my overflow stuff arranged also. So that's what I'm going to do. When it's all done, I'll show you that real quick, and then just a little interruption in the video. I apologize ahead of time for the lighting, but I just have one light hanging here. This is the storage unit. Got it all cleaned out, organized, straightened up again. Top shelf, I have my Ikara box joint jig. I have another jig here. These are parts for the Makita router. So these are parts for my tools right there. These are all various saw blades for my circular saws. Of course, I got my 3600B Makita plunge router. I completely went through this, put new bearings. I got some of the last bearings. Had to call Makita themselves to verify if a bearing would fit. They had an updated one to make sure it fit this. If you want to know more about that, check up in the up there somewhere. I'll link it to there. I have my electric planer. I have electric metal shears there. Next shelf is all my overflow of screws and things. The next shelf, I have all my shop vac bags, filters. This is full of different colors, shades of cabinet screws. These are for the hinges for the cabinetry. Back here, I don't even use them anymore, but these are all the shelf pins. I actually have a machine here that drill holes for adjustable shelves and cabinets. Just some chain I use for various things. This is all miscellaneous hardware, and in the box here is more of the shelf pins, but these are clear, and these are the adjustable metal clips for shelves, those things. And then these are for like laundry rooms, little clothing hangers. Next shelf is just some miscellaneous stuff. The bottom shelf is my circular saws, jigsaws, and the old cutting head out of my planer when I replaced it with the Shelex head. So that's it. Another check done. This is taken care of. I got more out of the shop in here. So back in to finish up what little I have in the shop. This is complete. You see all the tools that were there are gone. I got this whole section here that is clean. So now starting Monday, I start on this section. So that's the goal Monday. We start this section, which really isn't bad. Big, bulky items, so it should go very quickly. I have another rolling cart outside I might bring in. I think I'm going to put those underneath the table saw on both sides. That'll give me room to put things in, kind of reorganize that. But by next week, I hope that this whole section here is completely gone. I'm just showing you I'm staying busy and all the progress I'm making in my shop that I haven't touched in 5+ years. So it's a good thing. It's actually a good thing. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your check for your cleanup sanity. We will see you next video.